Memecoin trenches are getting hot again, and that means execution speed on your trades is once again the most important thing when trading memecoins. Because when the price moves fast, a delay of even half a second can be the difference between getting an amazing entry or buying the top. And that's why in today's video I will show you how to set up TradeWiz extension and how you can use it to get the best entries possible. And if you watched my previous video about copy trading, you already know that TradeWiz is the best tool for copy trading because of its fast feels. And it's exactly the same when it comes to TradeWiz extension. And their extension basically allows you to have Insta Trade panel that you can customize to your liking, and you can use it on multiple bots like Axiom, Photon, GMGN. So you can even switch between those bots and keep one wallet for all of your memecoin trading, which is actually amazing when you are trying to figure out which platform you like the most. And to set up your extension, first thing you need to do is go to the first link in the video description so you can log in into TradeWiz Telegram bot, which looks like this. And once you log in into Telegram, then go to the second link in the description to download the TradeWiz extension on your Google Chrome. Just click the link, click install, and it will appear in the top right corner. Now you need to click get code from Telegram for Solana so you can actually go and log in into our extension. You just copy the code from your Telegram bot, go back to the extension and paste it in and click verify. And now once you go into any trading bot that is supported by this extension, you'll already see that a new quick buy button appeared. You have wallet signal section on the left. And now we can go to the settings of this extension so we can set up our settings for trading. All you need to do is click on the extension and click more settings. It will open a brand new window, and right here you can change your presets with the quick buy amounts, quick sell amounts, and what will be your buy and sell fees, your slippage, and if you want to use Anti-MEV or not. I created two separate presets, one when I'm trading small amounts of Solana, where I'm going with way smaller fees and I'm not using the MEV protection. I advise you, as always, to use MEV protection where you are using bigger amounts than 0.5 Solana. If you are trading with like 0.1, you don't really need to use it. Once you set up once you input all your settings, you just click save, and then you can quickly switch between presets inside of the bot. You will basically have this floating instant trade window, and right here you can change your different presets. I click on the second preset, and as you can see, my quick buy buttons just changed, and also the fees changed too. The second thing you can set up in your extension is auto trading. I personally not using that. However, there are some good strategies that you can create for yourself if you really notice that you are not really following the strategy, so the bot will follow it for you. You can set up custom take profits and custom stop losses, and you can also set up trailing stop loss, which is basically following the price and setting your stop loss dynamically. You can also set up whenever the developer sells the tokens you're also going to sell, or you're going to sell after some time passes. If you would like to change it, just type in the numbers, click save, and on the right side make sure to enable this option. When you go to the main trenches section on any trading bot, you'll notice that you'll got another section on the left, which is wallet signal, and this section allows you to get notified on tokens. Whenever the smart money that TradeWiz is tracking is going to buy it, you'll get a notification about a potential token. And also inside of the settings for this extension, you can add your own wallets to track. And whenever multiple of those wallets will start buying the token, you will see it appearing on the wallet signal, which is yet another great thing with using this extension, because you can set up one extension, use Axiom, GMGN on BullX, and have the same wallets there. You don't have to switch it up all the time. And as I said, this extension is working on multiple trading bots. It also works on Dexscreener. You also get this nice instant trade buttons, and also it has interesting features on X. When you go to any X account that has a token connected to it, you can instantly quick buy this token. And personally, I find this very useful because sometimes you are researching the token, you go through their X, and if you want to buy it, you have to go back to your trading bot, find the click button, etc. But with this extension, you have everything in the same window. So if you figure out that, yeah, this project is legit and I want to buy it, you can instantly do it using this TradeWiz extension. And remember, whenever you are using this extension and you want to see your trades displayed on your trading bot, you have to import exactly the same wallet into the TradeWiz extension and to your bot. And to import the same wallet is actually super simple. All you need to do is go to your trading bot, import the wallet and paste the private keys exactly the same as the private keys inside of your TradeWiz bot. And to import your private keys into TradeWiz extension, you just have to go to your Telegram bot, click Start, click on Wallet, Import Wallet, and right here you paste in the same private keys for the wallet that you want to use. And once you import the same private keys for TradeWiz and the trading bot you are using, for me it's GMGN, you will be able to see your transactions whenever you buy a token using TradeWiz extension. And by the way, TradeWiz is not only a tool for manual trading. At the same time, it's also the fastest copy trading bot on Solana. So if you don't want to sit in the trenches all day, you can let proven wallets do the trading for you. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up.